Good day, class. We still want to continue the problems on work, energy, and power in our physics class. By solving this problem, the engine of a train produces a force of 3,000 Newton when moving at 30 meters per second. Calculate the power of the engine. So, solution: the power of the engine, power P, is F times velocity. So, our force in the question is 3,000 Newton. Our velocity is 30 meters per second. So the power will be 3,000 times 30. So that will give you 3 times 3, 9. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the unit of power? The unit of power is watts. So hope you have gained something in this video. See you in my next video. Bye.